Today I will quickly show how you as a head of insights at a banking institution can use Statista's MCP server to put our verified data directly into your AI environment. Now, let's say your CRO needs market validation for tomorrow's product committee meeting. Now, what you could do is go to Claude and type the following. What are the savings account ownership rates and average balances by age group in the US? And what's driving digital-first banking adoption among younger consumers. In seconds, you get demographic breakdowns, digital banking penetration rates, and competitive benchmarks. Everything needed to size your addressable market. Now, this works because we have added a context layer to all Statista metrics. I am using Claude for this demo, but this works the same way in Langdoc, Perplexity, or any MCP-compatible chatbot. No matter which one you use, this new layer helps the chatbot understand exactly where to pull Statista data from. From here, you can download and drop these insights directly into your business case, backing up your product launch strategy with verified consumer data. Now you can spend less time gathering market research and more time designing products that actually meet customer needs. Statista Connect, trusted data meets AI efficiency, right where banking innovation happens.